Hello student, once again. Today's lecture we discuss about the log and ln, but in previous lecture last topic is our log and ln. That is clear idea about that thing as log have base 10, then we can convert 10 raised to x in an exponential form. Log have the base e, that is most probably called the e raised to x. That is difference between log symbol and ln symbol in a calculator. In the last lecture we take the how to find the log 5 that gives exen, that is the gives answer 0.69897. This calculator 82fxms is more useful in our diplomatic maths and all this thing, and also clear about that thing in a chemistry and physics you must need the log function. So always remind that log used when base is the 10 and ln symbol is used when the base is e. Now let us try from our main topic behind that. In our last lectures we study all the laws of logarithm to the base 10. It is applicable to the e also. That is mean what? Ln to the base e is always 1. That means ln most probably have the base e. So that is ln e to the base e is equal to 1. Most probably the base in ln not promoted, not said. So that's why I only said ln e is equal to 1. Ln x is equal to y, that is in the logarithmic form change into exponential, that is the base is e, that's why it is answer goes to index, that is y is equal to x. Same trick apply for e raised to ln x is always x, means e ln that base have e, these all get cancelled and we remain only x term. Most probably the f of x is also possible there. Be sure x greater than 0. That means f of x is also in a general term greater than 0 b. Log x to the base e is equal to ln x that I just introduced you. Ln e raised to x equal to x means what? Log to the base e of e raised to x, these all get cancelled and we have only x, where x belongs to capital R. Here capital R is most probably denoted by the real number set. These real number set include the integers number, natural number, that is square root numbers, means that is the rationalized numbers. All the numbers are included in the superset that is called real number. In pure mathematics and in applied mathematics these concepts must be clear about student. Okay, now we start the next laws of logarithm, that is ln xy is obviously ln x plus ln y. Ln x upon y is equal to ln x minus ln y. Student, not get confused about the log and ln. Always remind only one thing, that log word is used for the base 10 or any number, and ln most probably used for base only e is there. So we take the some example to solve based on that ln or basic function ln to the base e. Ln root of e. We know that square root of x is x raised to 1 by 2 in the law of exponent or law of indices. So I convert root e in the form of e raised to 1 upon 2. We know that ln m raised to n is n ln m. That gives 1 upon 2 goes this side and we derive ln e. We know that ln of e to the base e is obviously 1. That's why we derive the answer is 1 upon 2 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. In this example, be sure about that thing. We have to use the law of indices once again. And ln e to the base e is equal to 1, and most important, ln m raised to n is n ln m. Now we continue the second example. E 2 ln 4 is equal to e raised to ln 4 raised to 2. We know that e is the base, ln have also base e, then these term get cancelled, we derive only answer 4 square. We know that 4 square is obviously 16. So we introduce this example in a pattern of that n log of m is log m raised to n, we derive in this step. And we clear about base is e, log have also base e, then this term get cancelled, we remain only 4 square, that is 16. Third, 1 upon 2 in bracket 4 ln 2 minus 2 ln 5. We know that n ln m goes to m raised to n. That's why 4 goes to index of 2, 2 goes to 5 index. So we simplify 1 upon 2 ln 2 raised to 4 minus ln 5 raised to 2. Student always remind that ln or log have multiplied by any number, that obviously these number goes to index of these numbers. Be sure about this step and trick also. I explain again. If log or ln have the multiplication of the any number to left hand side, always that number goes to index of the given format. So be sure about this thing. So we know that 2 raised to 4 is 16 and 5 raised to 2 is 25. We know that ln m minus ln n is ln m upon n, and 1 upon 2 remain as the same. Now again we have the format ln and multiplication 1 upon 2. So we have to need ln single. That's why we convert the 1 upon 2 to index of these number, that is in a form of quotient. So we know that in a law of indices, a upon b raised to m upon n, it is applicable to a raised to m upon n and b raised to m upon n, or it is impossible of, we have to convert the better 16 square to 2 get cancelled. 25, it is the square root of 5 square. So we derive 2 get cancelled, ln 4 upon 5. Assignment is given to all the students. Please read the assignment carefully.